Welcome to my channel. Today's question is log 2 with base 10 whole raised to power of 3 plus log 8 with base 10 times log 5 with base 10 plus log 5 with base 10 whole raised to power of 3. We need to find value of this. Before start the solution, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go and see the solution. What we have log 2 with base 10 whole raised to power of 3. So usually what we do, it is in the form of log a with base 10 whole raised to power of m. So according to the logarithm property, we can write this as m times log a. But instead of using of this formula, we can think in different way and solve this problem. That is, observe each and every term carefully. Log 2 with base 10 whole raised to power of 3. Suppose if we consider this log 2 with base 10 as a, now it is in the form of a raised to power of 3. Isn't it? And consider this log 5 with base 10 as b. Then the last term, it is in the form of b raised to power of 3, isn't it? And the middle term, what we have log 8 with base 10. This log 8 with base 10, this 8 we can write it as 2 raised to power of 3. Now after applying this, whatever in the exponent comes and stay in front, so it turns into 3 log 2 with base 10. So we consider log 2 with base 10 as a, so this it turns into 3a, isn't it? So at the middle term, log 8 with base 10, we can write it as 3a. And this log 5 with base 10 we consider as b. So let's simply write this as b. Now let's recall the a plus b whole raised to power of 3 formula. The formula is a raised to power of 3 plus b raised to power of 3 plus 3ab times a plus b. Now observe this formula and this. We are missing only this a plus b part. If we have here a plus b, the whole expression we can write this as a plus b whole cube, isn't it? So that's why. So what we're missing only a plus b. Let's do a plus b. What is the value of that? We consider a as log 2 with base 10 and b as log 5 with base 10. Now use the logarithm properties. So it is in a summation form. We can write this as a product form according to the logarithm property. So it is in the form of log a plus log b. We can write it as log ab. So that is 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is use 10. So now log 10 with base 10. The value is only 1. That means a plus b, the value is 1. So instead of a plus b, we can simply write this as 1. So 3ab times 1, which gives only 3ab. So the whole expression, we can write this as a plus b whole cube. Now it is in the form of a power 3 plus this middle term, it is in the form of 3ab times a plus b plus b power 3, isn't it? So we can simply write this as a plus b whole cube. Our given expression, we can write this as log 2 with base 10, that is our a value, and b value is log 5 with base 10 whole cube. So now we need to simplify only this term. Now observe the log 2 with base 10. It is in the form of log a plus log b. We can write this as log ab, isn't it? We can write this as log 2 times 5 with base 10 whole cube. 2 times 5 is nothing but 10. So log 10 with base 10, the value is 1. 1 whole cube, the value is only 1. Simply 1. So the log 2 with base 10 whole cube plus log 8 with base 10 times log 5 with base 10 plus log 5 with base 10 whole cube, the value is simply 1. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please support to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.